Hello, so today our group will present about operating system installation. Let's start.
For preparation of installation disk for ISO image, first search for Windows 10 download and then click download Windows 10 disk image. Click download tool now. Wait for the tool to be downloaded. Click on the downloaded file. Choose create installation media. Choose ISO file. Next. Save. And then save. Wait for the tools to get things ready to be created. Once done, it will be saved at the location which had chosen before. Once done, click finish. For preparation of installation disk for USB drive, first search for Windows 10 download and then click on the download Windows 10 disk image. Click on the download tool now. Wait for the tool to be downloaded. Click on the downloaded file. Wait for the things to be ready. After read the notice and license terms, click accept. Click on the create installation media. Click on the USB flash drive. Choose your USB drive. Wait for it to be downloaded. When the USB flash drive is ready, click finish.
Firstly, search download VMware Workstation Player VMware My and click here. And then click download now. And download complete and click here. Waiting for preparing VMware player for installation. And then click here. And click next. And tick I accept the terms and click next. and click next, and untick in the second box and click next, and click next, and click install. And click finish. And search VMware and click here. And click create a new virtual machine, and click browse and insert Windows ISO and click next. And click next and click finish.